how to buy DeepSeek token. So as you can see, guys, this is a new token of DeepSeek. So before going to buy this token, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available right now in the screener and it created just 3 hours ago. It's very new token. So as you can see, it's increased by 19 million% in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, guys, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. So this token is trending number 23 on the screener on Solana section. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana, of course, before going and buy this token, and click here and place the token of this here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. Now after that, select the provider for example distributor and make sure to read all of that information here, and now click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issue came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy DeepSeek token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.